Hi all, today I am going to teach about how to develop a Shiny application using R programming language. You might think I'm not good in programming language, how I can develop a basic or a complicated application. Don't worry, I'm there to help you to learn from the basics to the complicated application. So before we start, let's import the library Shiny, which will help you to build your applications. So once you As you see in applications, when you provide an input, you will see the output like an image or the question you asked from the ChatGPT or from the Google. You will see the output or outcome of the input what you have asked for. In the same way, application also is built on the input and output. So let's begin how to develop an user interface based on your wish list or based on your client requirement. So let's give some user interface name as RIT, and let's assign the assignment operator, and I call the fluid page, and I provide a title here with the title panel option. So right now I'll call it as hello, and I give a server name now with an empty server. So let's call as a bin, and let's call a function, and let's provide an empty input so that no output will be provided here. So let's finally call the Shiny app here. Let's call the Shiny app now, and let's call the UI as RIT and the server name as is equal to bin. So let's execute. So you can see that you cannot see any kind of application has been running here. Why? Because it is not able to find the app underscore development dot R. So let's call the source now, and let's plot or find the application development.r where in which folder it is. It's there in the R learnings, and click on this more to call this path, and we will paste this path here, and let's call the application underscore development program, so that it will able to show your Shiny application. So in this way you can see the application here. So it is showing some input and output because we have given as output as not the right name. So let's execute now. So it is trying to find out again, and maybe if it is not able to run, let's restart the R and let's execute. So now it's able to execute the Shiny app here, and you can see the hello with the title with the Shiny application. So in the coming sessions you will learn how to build a tab, how to build a checklist, how to build an image here, or you want to see an images, you want to see some visuals, you want to build or some kind of questions here, whatever you want to learn or whatever the requirement you have according to your client or based on your requirement, you can build your own Shiny applications and use efficiently to build your future. Stay tuned for more videos, and thanks for watching.